these are some commands that you can see. Like if you want to, let's say, jump to the command section, you press Ctrl+Shift+V and it will open the entire command section where you can choose what you want to do, and you start typing here. Let's say you want to compare some documents, right? So you can just type compare and it will suggest like what do you want to do, compare new and titled text files or compare active files, saved files, all those things start to pop up. So Ctrl+Shift+V is a shortcut for it. If you want to open something, just do a Ctrl+O and it will open the document section. If you want to open a folder, and if you want to open the recent one, you just click Ctrl+R. You recently opened something and you want to quickly jump to it, just press Ctrl+R and it will just open this section and will show you the files that you're trying to open. Okay, so that's how things are. You'll be needing this new terminal a lot, so you just have to click on this and it'll open this terminal section where most of our coding, console coding will happen. On the right side you can see this PowerShell section, and if I click on this section you can see there are more options that come into play, and these get integrated with the terminal. So right now you cannot see Gitbash here because we have not installed Gitbash. So that's the first thing you have to do once you start working on something like this. So I'm in documents. I create a folder here. Let's call it a YouTube experiment. And if you can see, there is no option right now for Gitbash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download Gitbash before we proceed, and I've already made some tutorials on this. You can check that out. You can, if you want, directly then click on this Windows and we'll go to Windows section, or you can come here and see which one is the latest one and download it. So I think 2.49 is the latest version and this is the 64-bit version. I can directly click on this button for it to install the .msi file. Alright, look, it's an exe file, I guess. Just click on this and the small setup window opens. Click on this. If you want some components, special components, you can just select this. Do I want this on the desktop? No, I don't. What else? These will Windows Explorer integration is pretty cool, because if you don't want the GUI part, you can just remove this. I just stick to open Gitbash here part. So when you right click on something, it will show you the option of like open Gitbash from here. So go ahead and click next. It says which editor would you like to have. We'll stick to like what it's suggesting. It's a Vim for editing files, which is a default editor. Let's leave it at that. It says the default branch name is currently master for initial branch. Do you want to decide this instead? So yes, I want to override this to main. Main is generally a very commonly used branch name, which is used everywhere across organizations. Trunk based development mostly, so I'll stick to main. And you click on next. It says if you want to adjust the path environment, I would let defaults be the defaults. So let's click on next. This is an external ssh.exe, and this is about SSH, right? So which one you should use? This uses ssh.exe that comes with Git, and this is an external SSH. You should not install its own FSH. So I'll let it be default. Choosing HTTPS transport backend, let this be default. Check Windows style commit Unix. Okay, I'll just let it as it is. Min TTY is like a terminal and emulator. It's more like a small window, just like CMD, and looks colorful and stuff, so I think I'll stick to this one. And it says that choose the default behavior of Git pull. How do you want it to behave when you do Git pull, right? I'll stick to defaults here as well. And which credential manager do you want to use? So if you don't want, you can just click on none, but I'll let Git's credential manager take care here. Enable file system caching be there, and click on next. So now Gitbash is also getting installed. Since this is like an opening, Gitbash is already installed. I'll show you the option that might have come here. So right click on this, you can see this open Gitbash here, and when you click on this, this option small window, that's the min ty window, right? So that opens, and it will have the exact location of your that is being shown at the top. So you're in this location, that's what it says. And now you can just go ahead and use git clone, or all the git commands will be applicable here, right? So you can use this window for whenever you're trying to clone a repository.